And then he told me the story about a dog. Whoa! A mystery drink! Wait though, is it for you or for me? Excuse us! Well great, she wasn't helpful. You know what? I'm sure it was meant for me. No way! It's probably for me. Give it back! It's mine! It's mine! No, it's mine! Ah! What the heck? Oops. Sorry. I'm so mad. Ah! What's happening? Those girls are in so much trouble. Ooh, she looks really mad. You know what? That's fine. Here are some mystery drinks for you. Hey look! There are straws coming out of here. Don't go peeking. Just drink yours first. Okay, here I go. I hope it tastes good. Arriba! What should I put in this mystery drink? How about some peppers? Ooh, they smell nice and spicy. In they go. Now time to add some garlic cloves. And we will top it off with some pomegranate juice. Oh yeah! These flavors don't go together at all. Okay, that's enough blending. This is one of the best mystery drinks I've made. Ay, caramba! It's pungent! It's horrible! It's the worst thing I've ever tasted! And it's spicy! Oh, drink this one. It'll probably help. No! It's just more of the same! This is so hilarious! I might as well try mine. Better take a good long drink. Mmm, mine's so tasty! It's delicious! Hey, let me try that one. Come on! Oh, that's it. Slap fight! I win! Now's my chance with a good drink. Delicious! Okay, there's 3 drinks again. I'll go first. I hope this isn't another gross one. I have come to the planet to make a mystery drink. First, I will need kiwis. No, that will not do. They have been sliced. I shall now put them into this primitive machine. Now I will add bee emissions, known as honey. Frozen molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. Now it shall be macerated in this blender. The drink is complete. I must return to my ship. Oh, this one tastes nice. Refreshing and sweet. Ooh, which one should I try? The middle one. I can't wait to taste how good it is. Oh no. It is also required of me to make a gross drink. I shall combine weeds from the sea and this wasabi paste. Yes, that is acceptable. No! I cannot remain this color. The broccoli is returning me to my regular shade of green. That was a close one. I will add the broccoli to avoid waste. And now for the wasabi paste. Finally! Bubbling lemon lime soda. Time for the maceration! It's both spicy and fishy and sweet? Ha! Your face turned green! This one has to be a good one, then. Oh, thank goodness. I didn't want to be green. It's really good. You go first this time. No, it's fine. You can. I insist. Fine, whatever, you big baby. I really hope this is another good one. Phew! It is a good one! What a relief! Well, whatever. I bet I can pick a good one, too. The middle one was bad last time, so I'll go with this one. Woo! What a trip! I prefer to travel by broom. Let's start this potion off with some red cabbage. Oh yes, that's bubbling nicely. I'll just give it a little stir like any smart witch would. Now we must add some salt and starch. French fries will work. That must be stirred in as well. I need it to cook well. It needs a pinch of this ingredient. I think it might be done. I better check. Ooh, frothy and thick. It looks like a disgusting potion. Into the glass it flows. Oof, that looks foul. And I'm a witch. Ugh, it's so bad! How can something taste like french fries and cabbage? Hey! What's up with your teeth? What are you talking about? My teeth are fine. Ha! They're not fine at all! They're purple! No, you're just making that up. Except you aren't. They are purple. I'll go first this time. It's only fair. Why can't I suck anything up through the straw? There must be something wrong. I'd better check. Hey! It's a whole glass of blueberries! They're perfectly ripe, too. Very good. They're much better than a gross drink. Speaking of drinks, try one. Here I go. Wish me luck. Okay. Time to make a mystery drink. My goggles are in place. Safety first. First, just a few drops of this coloring. Now that it's mixed, I will pour it into the glass. And now for a single tablet. Wow! What a reaction! It even blew apart my glove! My science failed! This calls for drastic measures. Blue Fanta! Look how well it fizzes in the glass. There they go. They wanted a drink, they've got a drink. Hey, I'm pretty sure this is Fanta! I'll check this one, too. They're both blue Fanta! There's not a bad one this time! If you had to drink one of the bad drinks, which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!